Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add a website shortcut icon to home screen on TCL 408. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Chrome. Now open a web page that you want to add to your home screen as a shortcut. In this case we're gonna go for our website HardReset.Info. Now let's click on these three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down a bit, you should find Add to Home Screen. Now you can name the icon. I'm gonna leave it as it is and click on Add. Now we can go back to our home screen and try to find the icon. It's right here. If you click on it, it should instantly open a page. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.